Hello viewers, um, thank you for watching. I show you today pure white cream. This cream actually used for skin remover for face. Like you have job, you have black spot, you have pimple, very old, you have very old black spot, and you need to the change your face. Like actually this one very good use for after 30-year old. This men and female use this one. This cream is possible. This cream actually skin remover. Skin is already removed for this cream only for 4 to 10 day. It's 4 to 10 day is remove your skin. And this cream have two languages, English and Arabic. Okay, if you need to any misunderstanding, you can read there, and you can read there is on English. And this cream original available only for whitepluscream.com. Is available only whitepluscream.com. And this cream like this one is very small, and this one very affected, 100% guarantee I take for you. Is if you need to remove screen, this cream is very affected, and very good product, 100%. And if you need buy, only available whitepluscream.com. And if you want to any question for this cream, please comment and visit our website whitepluscream.com. This one have menu book. You need any question, this is English, and a backside have to Arabic. If you need to use this cream, how to use, I spelling now. And if you need more spelling, please visit www.whitepluscream.com. I will our team will be support to you live chat. This White Plus cream have to live chat. If you need screen solution anything, you can live chat and contract for WhatsApp. So thank you for watching. If you need any, if you have any question, so must be without any excuse, you can contract, and you can send me comment, message, everything. Thank you.